Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to add backlink in this website. You can add many backlink in this website, so watch the full video. The website has domain authority 91 and page authority 70. To add backlink in this website, go to Google and search FlipBoard. Then click on the link. Then click on sign up, or you can click on the right side in the sign up button. Then fill up everything. Put your email address, name, put a strong password. Then click on continue. Follow 3 topics. Then click on the button. They send a verification email. So check your email. Click on confirm email. Now your email is verified. Now click on the edit button in the right side. Click on magazine and put your website name. Then click on save. Now your magazine is created. Now put your website address here. Then click on flip. Now click on the avatar in the right side, profile. Here you can see that your website link is added here. Now if I click here, it will redirect to my website. This way you can add many backlinks in this website. Thanks for watching the video. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. Thank you everyone.